Hello happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 4 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. And in this series I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics in my entire collection. I do have a dedicated playlist for this series and I'll link it down in the description box below. I hope you all are enjoying this series so far. Today I'm going to be swatching out 2 more of my 6-piece gel polish kits from Beetles. They are going to be 2 different glitter collections. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 4 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. Today I'm going to be swatching out some more of my Beetles gel polish collection. I have a pretty extensive collection and I have slowly been unboxing all of my Beetles gel polish kits that I have and putting them away. So I have 2 more kits that I want to swatch out for you guys. I think there's going to be like a multi-part series to get all these videos out because I got a lot of Beetles gel polishes. These are 2 that I purchased and these are their glitter, 2 of their glitter collections. And they also have the new packaging as well. The Beetles old packaging looks like this, right? And so they kind of upgraded it and now they have this look. And it's even changed again since I bought these. But yeah, let me go ahead and get these swatched out. First collection that I have here is the Boujee collection. And I was eyeballing this one for a really long time. I think I ended up paying full price for it. I paid $14.99 or $13.99 for this one. That's probably the most I paid for any of their 6 polish kits. But I really, really wanted it because it's a gorgeous glitter collection. But yeah, so this one comes with the application guide as per usual. It's just instructions about how to use the gel polishes, so make sure you go through and read that for proper application. And then this is in here. They also changed it from the styrofoam that they used to have in the packaging to like the little plastic pieces, which I'm not mad at. And then these here are the colors. Okay, and that's how the bottom of it is. I mean, if you wanted to, you could keep these and kind of store your polishes in your drawers that way. I'm not mad at that little situation. If you wanted to store them by collection, you could probably store them side by side if you had all of them. But anywho, these are all the colors that come with the collection. I did notice too that they did change the look of the bottles. So now the bottles are kind of like this matte finish and kind of more, it kind of tapers in at the bottom. I'll be honest, I'm more impartial to the original bottle that was circular. This is kind of how their old bottle of gel polish used to look. It's the 7.5 or 7.3 ml bottle and it's round. And then now they switched it out to this one. So I do think I prefer the look of this one better, but that's also because I'm just used to it. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at all these polishes and then we'll get them swatched out, okay? First one here is 767. Ooh, and this is a really beautiful kind of clear glitter. This is a clear gel with beautiful hollow silver glitters. That's really nice. 768. Ooh. This is a really beautiful, a nice gold color, a nice gold glitter. Very, very pretty. It's kind of like a orangey gold. 769. Ooh, this is a really pretty, beautiful soft pink. I believe I've actually used this color already. I think I did some like peach nails on my toes and then I'll use this as a topper and it was absolutely gorgeous. You know, I feel like these colors are be really good to kind of add on any type of gel polish to give it an extra pop, you know. 770. Ooh, a really nice deep purple glitter that has a few hollow flakes in it as well. 771. Nice, which is a really beautiful pink glitter. That's really, really nice as well. I love that color. 772. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is a really beautiful like turquoise glitter that has, the glitters have a greenish blue shift to it. Really, really pretty. I like that a lot. Lovely. So let's go ahead and get these swatched out. 767. Very nice. This would definitely be a nice glitter for like a topper. Yeah, that's really pretty. Adds a nice little pizzazz to any like basic color. 768. Yeah, it's a really nice gold, like orangey gold color. Sorry for the background noise. My little one is here with me today. I definitely need 2 coats of coverage of this to get full opacity, but this is really pretty. 769. Oh, this is pretty. This is a really beautiful soft pink glitter. I love this. Again, I've used this as a topper over another color and it's just gorgeous. It's a really pretty color. 770. Very nice. Yeah, this is just as opaque as I thought it was going to be. So this is a nice purple glitter. I mean, it's still jelly, but more opaque than the other ones that I've previously swatched. I know with 2 coats of coverage, this is going to be gorgeous. 771. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's gorgeous. 772. Oh, yeah. This just reminds me of aqua. Yeah, this is a really beautiful teal green, bluish color. I like that a lot. Very pretty. Next collection we have here is the Royal Glitz collection, and I believe these are actually reflective polishes. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So this does come with the application guide as per usual. Go ahead and take this piece out here. And then these here are the 6 colors. Alrighty, so this is what this collection is looking like. I think these are a little bit more of like deeper. Go ahead and give you guys an up close of them, and then we'll get into some swatches. So this here is A744. Ooh, look at this. This is gonna be a really beautiful reflective silver. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can't wait to see what this looks like in the dark. Oh my gosh, with that flash, this is gorgeous. This is one everybody needs to have in their collection for sure. A745. Ooh, wow, guys, these is gorgeous. This here is a really beautiful purple reflective glitter. Oh my gosh, I can already tell I'm gonna love this collection. This here is A746. Wow, this is a really beautiful green reflective. A747. Oh, really gorgeous blue reflective glitter. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't wait to get these swatched out. A748. Oh wow, this is like a deep red reflective glitter. A749, which is this really beautiful black and gold reflective. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these out. I will say the consistency of these polishes are a lot thicker than some of their other formulas, but I think it's because they're glitter polishes. And so yeah, y'all, let's get to swatching these. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. A744. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful glitter. Holy crap. Gorgeous. Look at that. A745. Look at that. I love how tightly packed these glitters are, and they're even opaque. Oh my gosh. Yes, thank you. How cute are these? Now I ain't gonna lie, this brush a little wonky though, but it's still applying the product nicely, so I'm not mad at it. This is so pretty. Wow. A746. Wow. I am obsessed with this, you guys. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love this collection. Love it. These reflex, I can already see the reflect. Okay, baby. I can already see the reflect without having the flash on, just underneath my ring light. So I can imagine what it's going to look like with the flash with the lights off. This is going to be cute. 747. Gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful. Y'all, all of these colors in this collection are gorgeous. Like, I'm here for it.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, you want Mickey Mouse? So cute. 748. Wow, this is just really pretty. Yeah, these colors are gorgeous, you guys. I definitely want to get some more of the Beetles reflective polishes. Like, these are gorgeous. A749. Ooh, look at this. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all. I can't. How gorgeous, you guys. I really need to get some more of their reflective polishes. They had a kit that was like a neon reflective polishes, and I'm so mad. I saw it on sale for $7 and I didn't pick it up, and the sale was gone just as soon as I saw it. But look how cute this is. Alrighty, so this is what all of these beautiful glitter polishes are looking like. I am absolutely loving them. Let's give you guys an up close of all these colors. Okay, so the first color here is 767, and this is a really beautiful hollow glitter that has a clear base to it. 768, which is a really beautiful gold glitter. And it has some really fine silver glitters in it as well, really pretty. 769, which is this really beautiful soft pink glitter with hollow glitters in it as well. 770, which is this really beautiful purple glitter. 771 is this really beautiful kind of Barbie pink festive glitter. I really like this one a lot. And then one of my faves from the collection is 772, which is this really beautiful, it's giving aqua vibes, under the sea. It's a really beautiful kind of teal blue color that has like those blue and green shift to it. Okay, so that was the first collection that I just showed you guys, and here is the second collection, which is the reflective polishes. So the first color in this collection is A744, and this is an absolutely stunning glitter, like a silver glitter. This would be really cool to put if you're doing like a full bling nail, to put down as the base, like that. Once the light hits the bling and this in the background, it's gonna be so pretty. So got this A745, which is a really beautiful purple glitter. I just love those fine silver glitters that's in there. It's absolutely beautiful. A746, which is this really beautiful green reflective glitter. A747, which is a really gorgeous blue silver glitter, reflective glitter. A748, which is a really nice kind of deep, almost burgundy reflective glitter. And then last but not least is A749, which is this really gorgeous black with that silver reflect to it. So I do want to see how these reflects look underneath a flash. You can already kind of see how beautiful it is. But let me go ahead and turn off my ring light here. Oh wow, and this is what it's looking like with the flash on, you guys. How stunning are these polishes? Do you all see? Look at that, especially that silver. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Wow. It's like diamonds in the nails. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. Alrighty, so yeah, this is how these colors are looking. Did y'all see that reflect? Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, these two collections are absolutely gorgeous. I really love the way these polishes applied, and I absolutely love the reflect on these reflective polishes. I mean, these are a must-have in your collection for sure, and these glitters are really nice. I like the versatility of them. You can build them up by putting on a couple of different coats of polish, or you can use them as toppers over other colors. Like this purple will be really cute over like another different type of purple. This one here is cool to put over really any type of base color because it's a hollow that has that clear base, and then this is nice to put over a pink. So these are really good for like layering, and then these are really good for just, you know, if you want some nice fancy blingy nails. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to be swatching some more of my Beetle polishes. Like I said, I have a pretty big collection, and so stay tuned to the channel for more. For the other collections that I have swatched, I am going to leave that link down in the description box below, as well as that playlist. I also have a Beetles playlist that shows any and all products that I've reviewed and or tested from Beetles, in case you guys are interested in checking out some of the other items that the brand has. If I have a discount code with Beetles, I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. And I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.